So let's go ahead and put that here, 0.2. That means we're going to then do 0.4, 0.6, and so on. And what's really nice is that spreadsheets are very good at picking up patterns. So there we go. We can see it increments by 0.2 all the way up to 4 volts. So let's go ahead and put in 250 here before we forget. Next, we're going to want to measure the current. So for the first one, we saw we got 0.8. And then we're going to go ahead and adjust this up to our next voltage value, 0.4. And we see we get 1.6. Then we'll increment this up to 0.6 and we get 2.4. And we'll keep doing that all the way until we have all of our values. So now that we have all of our measurements for voltage and current, we are ready to move on to the next step. But before we do that, we're going to want to go ahead and make all of our numbers consistent to the same number of decimal places. So we can use these values up here and adjust it so they all go to the tenths place or to 1 decimals place, and now our numbers look nice and consistent.